I was a fussy beetroot eater until I came across this beetroot pachadi dish. I'm not a fan of beetroot. There is a strong, raw, heavy, earthy smell, even in cooked beetroot, which is not palatable for me. If you don't like beetroot, I know exactly from where it is coming. So, to convert you to a happy beetroot eater, I'm sharing this finger licking beetroot dish with you. Hello, Namaste, Salam, Akal. I'm Piyali Mutha and I take this challenge of making you love beetroot with my Beetroot Pachadi recipe. In our Telugu kitchen, pachadi is referred to a side dish which has a vegetable or leaf pounded into a paste having a souring agent, spices, etc. The beetroot is cut into matchsticks and dry roasted in a pan along with dry red chillies, curry leaves, garlic, seedless tamarind, coconut. Keep roasting till the raw smell lessens. Add salt and mix. Grind to a smooth paste. To hot oil, add mustard and cumin seeds, curry leaves, followed by the beetroot paste. Fry everything for 3 minutes and you have this delicious beetroot dish which I guarantee will make you fall in love with beetroot.